Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Level Up podcast. My name is Daniel, and I'm so excited you decided to join us today.
And I'm Emma. Thank you for tuning in. This is episode 13, and the theme today is one I know you'll love, the fastest way to become fluent in English or any language.
Yes, this is a big one. But before we jump in, let's remind you, if you haven't already, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little bell button so you'll never miss our daily podcasts.
And don't forget, we've prepared a free document just for you. It has all the essential basics to help you start speaking English quickly, plus a step-by-step, unbeatable daily plan you can follow. Honestly, it's like having a coach right in your pocket.
Exactly. Think about it. If you listen to this podcast every morning and follow that plan for just 3 to 6 months, you will see real progress. Not maybe, but for sure. You'll notice yourself finding words faster, speaking with more confidence, and enjoying conversations more.
We've seen it happen for so many learners before. And let's be honest, learning English doesn't have to be boring or painful. With the right habits, it can actually be fun.
And that's exactly why we started the English Level Up podcast. We want you to feel like you're not just learning, but sitting down with friends, having a chat, and growing step by step.
So today, episode 13, we're going to share the fastest, most practical ways to become fluent in English or any other language. Not school theory, but real life strategies.
Yes, exactly. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, maybe smile a little, because you're about to learn some tips that can truly change your language journey.
All right, let's dive into episode 13 of the English Level Up podcast. The fastest way to become fluent in English or any other language.
So, Emma, let's start with the big question. Do you remember the first time you actually felt fluent in English?
Good question. I don't think there was one magic day when I woke up fluent. It was more like small moments, like the first time I watched a TV show without subtitles and understood almost everything. That was a big moment for me.
Oh, that's a good example. For me, with Spanish, it was the first time I joked with someone and they laughed. I thought, okay, if I can make someone laugh in another language, maybe I'm fluent.
Yes, because joking means you're not just translating in your head, you're actually living in the language.
Exactly. And that connects to today's topic. People always ask us, what's the fastest way to become fluent? And the truth is, fluency isn't about memorizing every word. It's about using what you know again and again until it feels natural.
Yes. People often think, I need a huge vocabulary. No, you need the right vocabulary and you need to practice using it.
So maybe our first big tip is focus on the most common words and phrases. Don't waste time learning super rare words you'll never use.
Exactly. And practice them in daily situations. Like, if you always go to a cafe, practice ordering. If you talk with friends, practice introducing yourself.
Yes, and here's another important idea. Daily contact. Even 15 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Oh, yes, 100%. Because language is like exercise. Imagine going to the gym once a week for 2 hours. You'll be sore, but you won't really get fit. But if you do 20 minutes every day, you'll see results much faster.
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity.
And you don't need to study like a student all the time. You can learn while walking, cooking, or even showering.
Yes, I used to listen to Spanish podcasts while doing the dishes. It felt like I was washing plates and my brain at the same time.
That's a great image. And that's the secret. Make English part of your life, not just part of your study time.
Yes. Actually, let's give our listeners something practical. Imagine someone has 30 minutes a day. How should they use it to become fluent fast?
Good idea. Okay, first 10 minutes, listen. Could be a podcast, YouTube, music, something natural.
Second 10 minutes, speak. Repeat what you heard, or record yourself, or talk to a language partner.
And last 10 minutes, review. Write a few sentences, learn 2 or 3 new words, or check yesterday's notes.
That's simple but powerful.
Yes, and if you do that every day, after 3 months, you'll notice huge progress.
Absolutely.
But Daniel, let's be real. Sometimes people say, I don't have time. What do you tell them?
I tell them you do have time. You just need to use little moments. For example, listen while commuting or practice a phrase while brushing your teeth.
Yes, I sometimes practice questions while waiting in line. People probably think I'm crazy, but it works.
Exactly. Small habits build fluency.
And one more thing, don't wait until you feel ready. Start speaking now, even if it's messy.
Yes, if you wait for perfect, you'll never start.
Exactly.
So Emma, maybe we can share some personal stories about how we improved fluency.
Sure. When I was learning French, I had this friend who didn't speak English. We agreed to meet once a week for coffee, and the rule was only French. At first, it was painful, lots of mistakes, but after a few weeks, I realized I could actually keep a conversation going.
That's amazing. And that shows the power of a language buddy.
Yes, it's free, fun, and super effective.
For me, in Spanish, I created mini challenges. Like one week I decided, every day I will ask one stranger for directions. Even if I already knew the way, I just practiced asking.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yes, and it built my confidence. After 10 times, I wasn't scared anymore.
That's a great idea for our listeners. Mini challenges. For example, this week, introduce yourself to 3 people in English, or write 1 social media post in English every day.
Yes, fluency grows with practice, not just study.
And also make it fun. Watch movies, sing songs, play video games in English.
Yes, gamify it. If it feels like play, you'll keep doing it.
Exactly.
Okay, here is something interesting. Many people ask, how long does it take to become fluent? What do you think, Emma?
Honestly, it depends on what you mean by fluent, but if you do 30 minutes a day, really active practice, I think in 6 to 12 months you can reach conversational fluency.
Yes, I agree. Fluency is not perfection. It's being able to communicate comfortably.
Exactly.
All right, let's do something fun. I'll give our listeners a quick role play challenge. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Din, 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 din. Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from Canada. What do you do?
I work in marketing. I help companies share their stories online. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
See? Simple, but effective.
Yes, and listeners, you can practice that at home. Out loud, don't just think it. Say it.
Exactly. Your mouth is a muscle. You have to train it.
Yes. Okay, before we finish, let's review some useful vocabulary we used today.
All right, let's go over some words and phrases.
Number 1, fluency. It means being able to speak easily and naturally without too many pauses. Example, she reached fluency in Spanish after 1 year of practice.
Number 2, consistency. Doing something regularly, not just once in a while. Example, consistency is more important than studying for hours only once.
Number 3, mini challenge. A small task you give yourself to practice. Example, this week, my mini challenge is to order coffee in English.
Number 4, survival phrases. The basic phrases you need in daily life, like, where's the bathroom? Example, learn survival phrases first when you travel.
Number 5, role play. Pretending to be in a real situation and practicing. Example, let's role play ordering food at a restaurant.
Number 6, gamify. To make something like a game, so it's fun. Example, I gamify my English learning by using apps with points.
Number 7, comfort zone. The safe area where you feel comfortable. Example, you have to leave your comfort zone to improve.
Number 8, muscle memory. When your body remembers how to do something because you practice. Example, speaking English every day builds muscle memory in your mouth.
Number 9, active practice. Not just listening,
but actually speaking, writing, or repeating. Example, active practice is the fastest way to improve.
Number 10, buddy, a friend or partner you learn with. Example, find a study buddy to practice English.
Perfect. And listeners, try to use at least 2 of these words this week.
Yes, and thank you for staying with us until the end of episode 13 of the English Level Up podcast.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download the free document we mentioned. It will really help you stay on track.
We'll see you tomorrow for another episode.
See you tomorrow and keep leveling up your English.